We will now move on to Excel formulas. If you're trying to automate something in Excel, formulas are your best friend. In this module, we are going to start with some basic formulas such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All formulas in Excel begin with equal sign. So when you select a cell and hit the equal sign, Excel considers the remaining part of the cell as a formula. You can now type in any formula you want to solve, such as a mathematical operation, in this case 5 plus 2, and when you hit enter, Excel will try to solve the formula and display the result in the same cell. Similarly, you can have formulas to subtract, multiply, and divide. You can also use brackets to create advanced calculations, and Excel follows the same rules as in mathematics to calculate the result. At all times, you must ensure that your formula is well formed. That means the brackets you opened must be closed properly. Some bad examples would be these. As you can see, brackets opened are not closed properly, and at times there are no operators between numbers. Excel will try to recommend a fix to the formula. You must ensure the fix being proposed is in line with your requirement. We have learned about cell references and we have learned about formulas. Now let's try to use them together. We just used manual values in formulas like 5 plus 2. What we want to do is use a value from an existing cell. For instance, in this sheet, I have a value in cell A1 and another value in cell B1. I want to add them up and display the result in C1. Earlier we typed in the formula like equals to 5 plus 2. Now we are going to replace 5 and 2 with the cell references like this, A1 plus B1. And when I hit enter, I see the result in C1. It is not necessary to type in each cell address. If you can spot the cell, you can just click on the cell and Excel will put the cell address for you. This way you don't have to struggle to find out cell addresses. Once you're done typing in the formula and hit enter, the formula disappears and you see the result in the cell. But how do you get back to the formula? You can either double click the cell or select the cell and look at the formula bar at the top. You may edit the formula anytime you want. Please note that you may not see the formula bar in the exercises section. So double click a cell to view or edit its formula. Let's practice a little bit of that.